Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, that's gonna be a good one. Uh-oh. Fish on. Fish on. Bald Bry strikes again. Good morning, boys and girls. How are y'all doing this morning, all you fisher people? We are heading on out to do some fishing. We're going to be on the Cumberland today on my home waters. My buddy Steve is coming back into town today, wanting to take a little trip. So I said, hey, let's do it. We're going to meet him, and we're going to try to get on some blues today. We got cold water temps. Temps are in the 40s, mid 40s, falling water flow. So we're probably going to wind up dragging boards. You just got to figure out what speed we need to be pulling and what size bait they're preferring. So as usual, y'all are invited to come along for the ride, kick back, relax, and I'll take care of the rest. We'll see y'all shortly. Y'all hang tight. Well, all right, folks, we at it again. Me and old Mr. Steve here. Say hello to the fans out here.
Hey guys, we're back again.
We on the Cumberland River this time, though. We trying things a little bit different. Cold water, we in 44.5 degrees. We got light flow, very light flow, but we're gonna try pulling boards in this cooler water and try to keep the speed down. And we got plenty of bait up on the flat. We got fish down on the edges of the ledge on the opposite side. So we're gonna mess around and try to figure out exactly what these fish want, get the right presentation. So you guys hang tight and let's see if we can put it together. Probably won't be no 70, 80 pound fish. We'll be doing good to hit a 30 or a 40. 40 would be a good one, but we'll see if we can pull it off. Hang tight. Channel cat fever.
You are correct.
Oh, that ain't no channel cat there. He's on though.
Look at you go.
He's on too.
You got a double?
Doubled up. Doubled up.
Well, there, they feeling any better right there? I heard some drag running on that one.
Nah, this one ain't all that. I'll get him close and then get this one tight. I believe he's good. Get this board off.
Double. You had a double last week.
Yeah.
A 30 pounder and an 80 pounder.
Yeah. Rather be lucky than good any day, man.
Well, I say you a little bit of both, Brian. A little bit of both. You've been doing this a minute.
Yeah, this isn't my first rodeo. Whoop. Whoop. There we go. Now we're tight. Woo! I think this is a little bigger than that one.
We can go to the house now. You done caught all the fish in the damn lake. Look, he's doubling up on them. Reel that one in for 5 seconds, and then he reels the other one in. I ain't gonna help you though.
All right.
It's all you. You just act like I ain't even here. This is what you'd be doing if you was by yourself anyway, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe not this bank, but
Well, the main thing is keep them from getting tangled up if you can.
yeah.
Which can be a challenge. He's clear. Oh.
We're in 65 foot of water.
65 foot of water. No, that was another bite.
Get a triple on. That'd be a good video.
Yeah. There we go. All right, let's see. Turn that up just a hair. There we go. Still out of that one.
Get the net. There you go. Is that a flathead?
A big old channel cat.
Oh, it is a big channel
That's what
cat.
I was
Ain't it?
thinking the way he's biting. And the way this was biting, he should also be a big channel cat. I don't know. We'll see. See a little school of them.
You did. You hit something right there.
I always say if you're gonna catch a channel cat, you might as well catch a big one.
Yeah, and the only channel cats got mud on their bellies.
Yeah.
Like, they've got a different situation than the blues.
Yeah. Pretty sure this is a channel cat too.
I think you're right.
Yep.
Yeah. Hey, them little ones need some love too, don't
Yeah.
they? Yeah.
Ain't all that little, is he?
No, he ain't.
Right in the snoot. Well, that's a pretty good sized channel cat.
It sure is.
But this other one's a little bit bigger than this one. Let's see what he looks like.
I've seen two 30-pound blues on there.
Yeah.
Now I wonder what makes these channel cats act different than them blues. Because like I say, look at his belly.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna say he's down in the mud, but he's laying on the mud.
Yeah.
Tight.
Yeah. That's a 12, 13 pound channel cat.
You need a net for him, or you want to build dancing?
Nah, he's good. He's hooked.
Oh, that's a nice one.
I told you.
Lord.
I had a 14 yesterday and he was about that size.
That's nice.
That's a big channel cat, man. Like I always say, folks, you want to catch a channel cat, you might as well catch a big one. And that's a big one.
Yep. That is a hog. That is a hog for a channel cat.
That's a large channel cat, folks.
For down here where we're at,
Yeah.
for the south.
We ain't in Manitoba, are we?
No.
He's knocking the crap out of 15 pounds. I'm serious. Heart attack. That's a it's a large channel cat there. Kind of long.
Yeah, he is.
But to be that wide, it'd be that long. Dang.
He's nice.
Let's send him on his way. He gone. It's crazy.
I believe you're right. It's a big channel cat.
I don't think he's shaking that one off. Yeah, you act like a big old channel. We got some big channels in this water.
I don't think I got it anymore.
I don't know.
Yeah, he's still full.
Bad days, that's all you pretty much get is them big dudes, though. It's crazy. Like I said, I don't mind catching them when they're over 10 or near 10, you know?
Yeah, if you had some light tackle, though, it'd be really
Yeah.
tight.
Yeah, then you'd hook the 100-pounder and snap your rod. That'd be my luck. The one time I downsize and I hook into this thing.
Well, I finally got to feel a fish today.
That's right.
wonder what's holding these channel cats here.
I don't know.
Channel cat season. I don't know how he's hooked, but we're gonna figure it out. Well, he's got some weight to him though.
I told you, man.
That's a fat channel cat.
Yeah, he's knocking the snot out of 10. I've caught enough of them up here to tell you. Old chucklehead, big old long dude.
Come here. They got the hardest jaws.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, he's over 10.
Yeah.
100%.
Pretty nice one.
Yeah. He gone.
There you go.
What do you think about that?
Well, I'm glad somebody's catching them. I'm gonna have to agree with you.
We'll just move over next drag
Yeah,
it might be closer toward the hole.
Yeah.
instead of the ledge. So that being said, I think we just make another drag, like you say, just scoot over, and then we'll make the last one on that side. You're getting a bit there, but like I said, it gets good further up we get.
Yeah, I've caught a lot of fish on this bank, so, and that's the quality fish I normally catch on this bank too.
Yeah.
But like I said, I've never fished it in the winter time, but
Yeah.
hello, here we are.
We get her done. Dang, man. Fuck, you come out of Gallatin Steam Plant, I hit it the first time this year. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, that's gonna be a good one. Uh-oh. Fish on. Fish on. Bald Bry strikes again.
Feel like a decent one?
Not too bad. He hit it like a decent one anyway.
Well, here you go. I got a leak in my boat. I gotta have to fix that.
It keeps you regular on the pin, so it's a good
Yeah.
thing. Always got to find the silver lining.
Lucky Brian strikes again.
I guess they can fit a few more. They can fit a house right there above those stairs. There you go. Yeah, he feels pretty decent.
He's pulling my boat around, so he must be pretty decent.
He feels pretty decent. Gotta back that off before he goes crazy on me.
Man, I can't take you nowhere without catching all the big fish.
But is that a bad thing, Steve?
No, it's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing. I'm gonna have to kick the trolling motor up. You pulling that? He must be a pretty decent size because he's making a boat stop.
I don't know. Might be hooked funny.
Oh, look at you got another one.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, we might have to get out in the center of that thing.
Yeah, we move over on the next pool. Oh, show. I think this is a pretty good fish, buddy.
When they stay down like that, they're heading under the water, heading under the boat straight down. Yeah, he's
not bad. He might be a big blue.
Well, I'm glad you're catching him.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes.
As long as we get action in the boat, that's all that matters.
Hey, man, as long as one of us are catching them, we both catch them. No I in team, buddy. It's a we. Takes two. Well, when you're fishing with somebody, it takes two. You know what I'm saying? No worse than being with somebody that wants to do anything this way and that way and arguing all the time. Look at there.
Yeah. In 45 degree water. Does he feel like he's rolling like a blue?
Not really. Hard to say. Hard to say. There we go. That's a blue. That's a blue. That's a blue.
It's the same blue you caught a while ago.
Same one.
Same size, though, ain't it?
Yeah, same size. He sure was acting like a flathead, though.
Yeah, he was.
Look at there. Pull and drag.
He just act like a big fish.
Yeah.
They must be out on the center. I might change my floats. That might be what it is.
It might be.
You got smaller floats. It's closer to the bottom.
Could be. Could be.
The only thing I'm thinking about is you smoking me. Every time you get in my boat, you smoke me. Oh, he's smaller than that other one. But he's still a nice fish.
Yeah. You might just be 30s. Oh, yeah, he's close, buddy.
Oh, yeah, hey, it might be that same fish. You never know. I can tell.
He might be his cousin, though. Alright. He's still biggin'.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try to net this dude.
Let him feel the fight there. Ready?
Yep. Oh, here we go.
You're doing all the work today, man.
Just trying to keep
I
it
like
easy.
it, though. I like it.
Trying to keep it easy on you, man.
He's still mad. He's trying to swim away from that. Got it?
Yeah. Let's see what we got. Turn this down just a little bit. There we go.
Oh, yeah. He's about the same size already.
I told you. That water messes with you, man.
That's another 40-pounder.
You don't look like it when he's in the water, but you get him in this net and in the boat, it's like, dang! Yeah. Easy there, buddy. Here we go. It's a nice fish there, people.
Yep.
Not bad at all. Woo!
Look how big that belly is.
I know. The fish got a big one too. Yeah, he's definitely been feeding for sure. He packed. He's full.
Another nice one.
Wide across the head. Nice fish. Nice fish for where we're at. Yeah, we'll slide out a little ways on the next pull and see if we can't get a little further over in these holes.
Get that center channel.
Yeah. Well, good deal. Let's put him back. I don't fall in. Yoo-hoo, trying to.
All right.
He gone.
There you go.
Let's get back out there. Feed me. Let's hook him up. Let's hook him up. Well, that didn't work, did it?
No.
All right, then we tried to feed him.
He must not be feeling well.
We tried to feed him, and he had other ideas. So, about to get in that board. No, he's not. And he swam. He swam so far away. You know the flock of seagulls. Come on, man.
Oh, I got something. Well, most likely, if I go next week, like Friday or Saturday, it's most likely I'm gonna go.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Got him. Fish on. Let's see here.
Oh, there you go. You want me to do something?
I don't know yet.
You just come on the inside, ain't it?
Yeah, but I'm afraid he's going to be over that one. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We always do.
Well, we're just talking about 25, 30 pounder.
Got an old bald bride today. I think we'll be all right, right up the middle. Oh, we're good.
Good.
Back that off.
What's the water temperature? 46?
45 and 45.5. It's crazy. Cool water catting.
Like cold water, he gets right in that line.
Yeah.
I go top of it. Yeah. They're gonna get my line.
Planter boards and 45-degree water. What do you think about that?
That's the way it ought to be.
You gotta get a hat for blind your viewers.
Yeah.
If you're gonna lose your hair, you might as well be proud of it, right?
He's on the other side of my other line. Do you need me to move that?
Nah, we should be all right. He's not in it yet. Ooh, I thought he'd just come off.
He did the death roll. Huh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he's in it.
Yeah. We're good. I think we'll be all right. I think we're good. Feels pretty decent. At least a 10-pounder. I say that a lot.
Reverse back out. We got no
Channel cat going crazy. Too close to the boat, man. I'm gonna make you a believer, Steve.
I'm farther out than you are.
What do we got here?
Start showing off a little bit.
A little bit. A little bit.
See,
a giant, but
it's rolling, so I guess it's close.
he's doing his own thing. Good enough, we're good. Yeah. Slip some drag, buddy. Slip some drag. There we go.
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, it is a nice one.
Nice one.
I told you we just need a 130-pounder to get our. Yeah. They're on the deeper side.
That's a nice one, buddy.
Yeah, it is.
A little bigger than I was expecting. Cool water catting.
That's all right. He's nice, ain't he?
Yeah, he is. There we go.
Oh, yeah, he's 30 plus, ain't he?
I told you that water messes with you. It makes them shrink. It's like opposite of a magnifying glass. Look at that. What a mess. There we go.
Oh, yeah, that's a 40, ain't it?
That's weird how that water messes with you, ain't it?
Yeah. That's a nice one.
Look at that little jacked up tail.
Yeah. Look at the body, but he's so short.
Yeah. Fat daddy. Come to Papa. There we go.
Yeah, that's a
There
really
we
nice
go. Yeah, it's a good one there, buddy.
Yeah, he is.
Worth waiting them out to go and be this quality.
Yep.
What do y'all think about that one? Nice. Very nice. Let's put this dude back and see what's next. Y'all hang tight. You gone?
All right.
All right. Got one on now, buddy.
Oh,
Got one on now, don't we?
he's running now.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
He's better than the channel cat I caught.
Well, that's good. He hit it right.
Yeah.
If he's a channel cat, he's a big one.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Well, what do you think of that one?
He's gonna be better.
He's at least a 10-pounder, right?
At least a 10-pounder.
I always start with the 10-pounder.
Well, my board broke off there. I like that.
Yeah.
I'm able to fight him a little bit.
Heck yeah, man. You pulled some drag on the initial takedown. I like that. That typically rules out channel cat.
Yeah. Yeah.
My brother filmed me one time. We was on Mississippi River on a wing dam, and at the time was the biggest blue I'd ever caught. Had that little handhold camera recorder thing.
Right.
Got him to the top, got him in the net. He looks over and says, man, I forgot to hit record. I say, what?
Lisa's done that before.
Part of it.
Yeah, this is a pretty decent one.
Yeah.
At least 25 pounds.
He's working his way up. We got 25. Hey, seemed like he's staying down, huh?
Yeah. All right.
There we go.
Coming up a little bit.
All right. There he is on the depth finder.
Sure is.
There he is on the depth finder coming up. That's cool.
Pretty good mark.
30 feet of water. Yeah, it's a good mark. Solid.
He's starting to do that squirrely stuff.
Uh-huh. Yeah, now we're talking. Uh-huh. Pull some drag, baby. Pull some drag. Now we're talking. That'll wake you up. He's a foul hook 10-pound channel cat.
Yeah. That's my luck. That's my luck. All right, I still don't see no color yet.
I think we about to, though.
Yeah.
I think we about to.
There he is.
There's some bubbles back there. You done blew it out.
Yeah.
You done blew it out. Ain't got to burp this one.
Oh, he's a pretty nice one.
Yeah, there we go. Nice fish. What we got there? Oh yeah. Very
Same
nice.
size you caught.
Very nice. Yeah. Cool. Yes, sirree. We got him.
Maybe.
Maybe. There we go.
I'm doing a bad job netting him.
The hook done got you, huh?
Yeah, get it there.
There we go. Now we got him.
All right, then my line was so tight. Should have loosened my line a little bit.
Yeah,
There.
I'll take that rod for you. Bring them on over and see what we got. Yeah. There we go. All right. There we go. Dang, dude.
Pretty nice one.
That's a big fish. That's a nice fish. This lake, that's the fish of the day right there on an average trip on this lake.
Yep. One right there.
Very nice.
I don't know how much I'm getting. There you go. Turn it up.
Well done, buddy. Well done. Woo. He's a little over the 20 you thought he was.
Yeah.
A lot over. Good job.
Yeah, he was close to 40 on that.
Get some knuckles on that one. Yeah, he was knocking the crap out of 40. That's a good fish. Cool. Back at it.
A little better now.
Heck yeah. What's up, everybody? We just made it back in. Hey, it was a cold one today. I'll be honest with you. That was rough. Water temps are in the mid 40s right now. So it was a good day, though. It's been cool hanging out with Steve. I hadn't fished with him in quite a while. We got to do some more of that. Hey, that dude's a trooper. I've known Steve a long time, and he's one of the few that will hang in there with you and try to figure things out. Whatever it takes, he's willing to just hang in there and put it together. So that was awesome. I hope you guys had a good time coming along. We had a good day. Other than the temperature being cold, we got on some big channels and some nice blues for this area. So hope y'all had a good time coming along for the ride. You're welcome every time. If you haven't yet, if you don't mind, hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the channel. That'd be great. And if you have already, hey, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And hey, we'll be out again real soon. Until then, when you guys are out there on the water, be safe, be courteous to others, enjoy yourselves, have a good time when you're out there. And hey, good luck. I'll see y'all soon.